I kind of look at our obligation and our giving back as the effort to pay a debt that we never ever can repay. To every one of us, Jamaica means more than just a country where we're born. It's a country that gives us the inspiration when you think about everybody here, pursuing business in some endeavor one way or another. That's something we learn in Jamaica. And in America you see a lot of the first. This is the first person, the first woman, the first this, and the first that. But I'm fortunate, and I'm sure you're fortunate, that when you're growing up, it wasn't a surprise to see a woman in charge. It wasn't a surprise to see a young person in charge. It wasn't a surprise to see a minority in charge. So when we come to America and we see and we hear people make those announcements, it's not a surprise to us because we were born seeing it every day. So I know that this effort of being recognized tonight is more or less an appreciation. But I know deeply for me personally, I know I owe Jamaica a debt that I will never ever be able to repay. It's in our national anthem that the phrase "stir responds to duty's call." You think of all the national anthems that you've heard, and I've been in the military, 26 years now. I've listened to a lot of national anthems all over the world. But very few national anthems has in it, "stir response to duty call." And that's an important element in our national anthem, because when you grow up from a little boy, hearing this, that you have an obligation to return a thank you, you have an obligation to give back, it's instilled in us, and to Jamaica, we owe that so much.